Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Richa. Welcome to session 8 with me. Hope everyone is doing fine with their family and loved ones. In today's session, we are going to talk about three things. First, judgmental, how easily we tend to become judgmental and judge others on each and every small and big thing. Second, expectations. Third, forgive and forget. Starting with being judgmental, we as human beings have a habit to judge each and everyone for every small and big thing and being judgmental, without forgetting that there might be circumstances, certain situations which the other person must be going. I have compared about the nature of being judgmental to a mirror. Let me recite it for all of us. Mirror on the wall, standing unfazed and tall. Always true, always honest. Can see through without perceptions and promise. Is never judgmental, does not go by prejudice. Brings the true self with all the justice. Depicting different moods, different forms. Growing old with me all along. Has never lied and never will. Will stand in front and make me believe. Of the truth to see across without any bias, gain or loss. So let's stop being judgmental of every small and big thing and focus on what we can do. Why do I expect so much for each and every action I do? Why is it that in every relation with everyone, being office, home, everywhere, I expect? No, we should not expect, but we should try and see what we can do and what we can give. Expectations. Looking back, I have realized how much I have suffered due to expectations set aside. Focus on what I can do, not what I gain. Keeping the goodness within, no expectations of fame. Focus on your learning and what you become, leaving aside the expectations which we know are ready to come. Will know only make me selfish, asking for more, making me dissatisfied, wanting all the more. Do as much as can. Do not force yourself. See, nobody is asking. Do only as much as willfully you want to do for someone. Managing expectations is also a challenge to be learned. Now, coming to the last one, forgive and forget. Do not keep it in your heart. It will only it will only create negativity and negative emotions. Just forgive, forget and move ahead. Focus on what goodness you can do and give to others rather than expectation. So forgiving, forgetting and moving ahead is a very right path to be taken. However, as we discuss, it is not easy. It's a challenge to move ahead and keep yourself balanced. Again, after some time, negative emotions come in our mind, making us think why. But no, we should not let those negative emotions to be inside us. The thoughts haunt me every now and then, making me bitter, making me repent. See, this only creates negativity and bitterness. Why did I not stop that then? Facing it all and let it happen. Reminding myself of that puts me in back gear. Reliving the times and the fear. Converting tomorrow to yesterday. We never want life to go that way. Right? We always have to focus on move ahead in life. Move ahead, make progress. Try forgetting and keeping it will do no good. It will just add negativity in your heart. I long for a peaceful life. I am sure every one of us does. And it is up to me to decide. Forgive and forget and move ahead. Let life take a full circle, living without regret. Let karma do its way. Let it play its own path. Just forgive, forget and move ahead. Focus on all positivity. Focus on all what we can do rather than expecting from others. Right? On this note, on a positive note, I end my session. Thank you all very much. Sorry for all the background noise. And again, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all for listening to all my sessions patiently. Thank you so much. I'll come back soon. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you.